Meme coins are here to stay, and at this point, I would honestly call them the future of finance. Every single day, there's a new meme coin project that launches and creates a millionaire. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to make a $1 million meme coin project. I'm speaking from experience too. Not too long ago, I created Hammy, the staring hamster meme coin, which is now sitting at a multi-million-dollar market cap. In this video, we're going to cover it all from idea to creation. We're going to start with how to conduct meme coin market research, and by the end of the video, we're going to have a token that's created in our wallet and ready to go. Now, I'm going to do all of this in the next 10 minutes, so make sure you're paying attention because this is going to be a game changer. Quick disclaimer, I'm not going to actually be launching the token that I'm creating in this video with a liquidity pool, meaning that it's not going to be publicly tradable. Like I said, I already have a meme coin that I created that is my only focus, and that's Hammy, the staring hamster. So at the end of this video, I'm going to burn the entire supply of the token that I create. Again, this is just an educational video. I want to show you guys how it's all done. So now that I covered that, let's get into the video. Step number 1, meme coin market research. All successful meme coins start with a great meme. When you're doing your meme coin research, ask yourself these questions. Is this potential meme idea cute and silly? Really important question. We want cute and silly memes. The market absolutely loves cute and silly memes right now. 2, does it have viral potential, or is it already currently a viral meme? If it's a viral meme, awesome. The more people who know your meme, the more people who might potentially want to buy your meme coin. 3, can I make even more great memes with this meme? Ultimately, the easier the meme is to meme, the easier it is for you to run that meme coin project, to create content, but just think about the type of content you can make with that meme. The majority don't want edgy memes. They want something that's cute, funny, happy, that they can laugh to. Those memes do the best, they get the most attention. The last question I asked myself after everything else has been checked off, has somebody already made this meme coin? I look on Dex Screener on Dex Tools and I'll type in the name, and if there's already a token created for that, I'll check one of 2 things. 1, is the meme currently still active? Are they active on Twitter? Are they still posting? Or 2, are they dead? If the token's dead, they rugged, or they're just inactive, they haven't done anything, you can claim their spot as that meme token. And if you look on Dex Screener and there are no meme coins out there created with your idea, that's even better, fantastic. That's the biggest green flag you can possibly see. You are going to be the original creator of that meme coin. So I did a little meme coin research myself for this video, and I came up with a couple options, and I narrowed it down to one final option. Introducing Professor Cat or Dr. Cat or something. I got to figure out a name real quick, but this is the cat meme that I'm going to be going with. A lot of people know this meme, and I don't see any Professor Cat coins out there or Dr. Cats or anything like that. I can definitely meme this cat really easily. I can put different costumes on him, put him in different settings. So all the boxes are checked off for this meme coin idea. Now we have the idea locked in. Let's move to the next step and actually start creating our token. So I'm gonna hop into my computer and let's get started. All right, so we have our meme coin right here. This is our Professor Cat. I'm just gonna make it into a square picture for the logo. Now we're going to go to oriontools.io. This is where we create our token. This is where I made Hammy. This is where I recommend you guys create your tokens as well. Super simple website, really easy to use, and it only takes a couple minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it's done. So first things first, we need to select wallet, have your Phantom wallet added, and you need to have Solana in your wallet as well. This costs about 0.7 Solana, like 80, 90 bucks or so. I have 1 Solana in my wallet right here, and we are ready to go. So first thing I need to do over here is click on select wallet, click on Phantom, and connect. And we can start creating our token. This is the fun part. So we have our meme picture right here. It's in Photoshop. Name will be Smart Cat, symbol will be smart. Decimals, now the decimals depends on how many tokens you want to create. If I want to make 1 billion tokens, then I can do 9 decimals. But if I want to make like a quadrillion, quintillion tokens, you're gonna have to understand what the token decimals mean. The higher your supply is, the lower decimal count you need. So I'll put up this little chart right here, somewhere on the screen, showing you the maximum amount of tokens you can create with each decimal count. Just keep that in mind. I'm gonna do 1 billion tokens, that's my sweet spot. So for that, I can do 9 decimals. So I'm gonna go over here and click on 9 or tab 9. Now I'm going to add my image as the logo. Here we go, Professor Cat, PNG. Make sure it's a square image so it formats correctly. You want the profile picture to be square, obviously. You don't want to have like a stretched out banner or anything like that. Supply, we're going to do 1 billion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Now for our description, we can do whatever we want. A funny little description about the cat is all we really need. We have a smart cat, smart, 9 decimals, 1 billion supply, and a little description just talking about the smart cat. So once you have that, make sure it's all correct, make sure your spelling is correct, decimal count's correct, description is correct, your picture is correct, and then click create token. So I'm gonna click on create token, here we go. Transaction confirmation, it pops up this little window right here. It shows you everything you need to know. So it costs 0.5 Solana to create the token. You'll see I'm getting 1 billion unknown. That's 1 billion unknown tokens. As soon as the token is created, it will show up as 1 billion smart cat tokens. So as long as that looks good, we're all set. We can click on confirm. And now we'll have our token created in the next couple of seconds. So we have a transaction confirmation down below. Whenever that's confirmed, we can go over here and click on our wallet. We were charged 0.5 Sol right there. And if I scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that we'll have our token in our wallet in the next 10 to 15 seconds or so. And here we go. We have 1 billion SmartCat in our wallet ready to go. Now we've created the token, but we're not done yet. We have a couple more steps. Let's scroll down here a little bit, and we have these 2 boxes down below that we need to take care of. 1, are you going to create a liquidity pool? If the answer is yes, if you actually want to launch this token so anybody can trade it, you're going to create a liquidity pool. And to do that, you need to revoke freeze authority. What that does is it allows you to actually create a liquidity pool. Simple as that. So we're gonna go over here, click the drop down menu. Now, if you don't see your token right here, just click refresh and then click the drop down menu and you will see your token. So again, if you don't see your token, just refresh the page real quick and click on your token. Everything up here doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you lose that because you already created your token. You know, it's already in your wallet. You're good to go. So I refreshed. I'm gonna go over here. I selected SmartCat and I'm just going to revoke freeze authority. Let's move this down. Click on confirm. Transaction confirmed. Now we can go to our Phantom wallet. We were charged 0.1 Sol, so the transaction went through. Now we're good with that. We've revoked freeze authority successfully. Now all we need to do is go over here and revoke mint authority. Same exact process. This just makes it so you can't mint more tokens. You can't dilute the supply. People don't want to see that. They want to know that the total supply is the final supply and their tokens will not be diluted. So to do that, we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to select our token, SmartCat, click on revoke mint authority, and confirm. Wait about 10 seconds or so for the transaction to confirm. When it says it does down here we go, transaction confirmed. We were charged another 0.1 Sol, and we now have a token in our wallet that is ready to go, ready to launch a liquidity pool, make public, start trading, all that fun stuff. We have done everything we need to do to get to that step. Now, like I said, I'm not going to actually launch this token with a liquidity pool. I created a full guide, A to Z, everything. You'll watch me create the token here, launch it with a liquidity pool, and you'll watch the token go up to $1 million market cap in one single video. There is not another video like that on the internet. So if you want the full guide, I will link that in the description. That'll be the second link. I'm going to burn the entire supply of the token that I created. There we go. SmartCat no longer exists. I have burned the entire supply. So if there's any token you see out there that's SmartCat, just know that I did not create that. The rest of the process you can watch my full video guide in the description. And it's as simple as that. We went from an idea to a created token in less than 10 minutes. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. If you decide to launch your own meme coin, I wish you the best of luck. I wish you nothing but success. I hope your meme coin reaches $1 billion market cap. Expect a hand me update video from me in the next couple days. I will see you then. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.